First on our list is the device called Focals. It is a device that can be used to replace your regular glasses, allowing you to have smart technology built right into your lenses. You may use these glasses to respond to text messages, make phone calls, check the weather, and so much more. Amazon had backed the company for a long time, and these glasses supported Alexa. The glasses are simple to use. They're available with a prescription or non-prescription lenses. All you have to do is locate the accompanying ring, which allows you to browse menus conveniently. A tiny thumbstick on the ring will enable you to navigate numerous options. Without ever taking your phone out of your pocket, you may view all of the valuable data blasted from your phone. Since the company was just acquired by the multi-billion-dollar giant Google, the price of these spectacles is now unknown. Armor 9 is a new smartphone that recently reached its Kickstart funding target. The startup gathered more than $40,000 for its product and intends to launch it soon. This is the world's first smartphone with infrared imaging optimized for outdoor use. This phone has an extremely tough touch shell that makes it virtually unbreakable. The unit is protected from falls and impacts by a robust bumper. The phone is powered by an octa-core processor and runs on Android 10.0. It boasts a 64-megapixel rear camera that can display various thermal images. The phone is anticipated to go on sale for $429 and ship from Hong Kong later this year. Mary is a fully automated indoor gardening system that allows you to create a garden without learning the stringent procedures required to grow a garden in artificial light. The item costs $1,399 when it first released on Indiegogo. The device was designed with an adjustable growing system that uses artificial intelligence to estimate your plant's growth cycles. It has a multi-directional lighting system and many easy-to-use nutrients that provide necessary vitamins to your plants. An app could operate the complete system, including LED lighting and a night light for usage after dark. The company appears to have put the project on pause for the time being, but it is hoped it will return to the market soon. Stop Sleep is an anti-sleep device designed for drivers who may be driving while sleepy. This device is worn on your fingertips and detects when you start to feel sleepy or weary while driving. It will then send you an alert up to 5 minutes before you fall asleep, ensuring that you are constantly awake and aware of changing road conditions while driving. The NCSR has rigorously evaluated this device and recommends its usage on any road trip, even if you're not prone to falling asleep while driving. Long hours on the road can be exhausting for anyone, and you may find yourself drifting off without realizing it. This device will keep you and any other passengers safe for the duration of the journey. Couch bunker. If a 1980s mafia film has caught you, you've probably wished that your lounge room couches could double as a fireproof gun safe with bulletproof cushions that can be detached and used as shields. Now your fantasies might become a reality. Couch Bunker has you covered for all of your couch security requirements. Couch Bunker is a brand new product that caters to the unique needs of a small group of people. This sofa includes a fireproof safe that may be used to store various things. The cushions may be removed and secured to your body if you ever find yourself needing a bulletproof shield. Though they are an optional enhancement, they can stop bullets at point-blank range. The vaults can be accessed in a matter of seconds. You just have to lift the 3 cushions, and the vault will be accessible from beneath the sitting area. It is secured with 2 locks, each of which can be operated with a single key. The safe has a capacity of 30 firearms. You may contact the Bed Gun Safety website to inquire about placing an order, because each couch is made to order to meet the specific requirements of the buyer. Gibbs Biski. You probably dreamed of having a car that could travel over land and sea when you were a kid. Many of us fantasized about developing such vehicles one day, but they never materialized. There have been a few vehicles explicitly designed for this purpose. None have ever been sold to the general public. Until now. But here comes the Gibbs Biski, It is a new motorcycle that can ride on land and water. On land, it can attain speeds of up to 80 miles per hour, while in water, it can reach roughly 37 miles per hour. This means that no matter where you are, this bike can keep up with other mass-produced vehicles, ensuring that you never fear being restricted when traveling. This bike can transfer from water to land in seconds, and with very little driver involvement. You can easily transition from land to water operation in less than 5 seconds, ensuring that you never miss a beat. A 2-cylinder, 55 horsepower engine works on regular fuel and controls the bike. If you're interested in owning one of these amphibious bikes, simply contact Gibbs for a price estimate. Morus Zero. Morus Zero is a technology that attempts to revolutionize the way garments are dried. There is a portable dryer that can be used practically any place in the house. It connects to an ordinary wall outlet and dries clothes faster and more efficiently than a conventional dryer. Your garments will be disinfected while drying. Morus employs a patented vacuum method to remove water and moisture from your garments. This allows water to evaporate way quicker than in a traditional dryer, allowing you to dry your clothes in a fraction of the time it would take in a conventional dryer. Drying duration can be reduced to 15 minutes, saving you both energy and time. This shortened drying time translates to a significant reduction in energy expenses, with up to a 40% reduction in energy consumption. Furthermore, because of the shorter drying time and lower temperature, your garments will survive far longer than in a regular dryer. These dryers are unavailable for purchase, but Morus anticipates bringing them to market soon. Cosori Coffee Warmer. There have been coffee cup warmers for decades, but none are as simple to operate and manage as the Cosori Coffee Mug Warmer. This is regarded as one of Amazon's best-selling coffee warmers. It has a higher thermal conductivity than other warmers and is of the highest quality available. This warmer has a touch-sensitive display that allows you to choose your preferred coffee temperature. With highly accurate temperature scales, it can quickly flip between Fahrenheit and Celsius. The cup included in the package is FDA approved and made of food-grade steel with a cool touch handle. The bottom of the cup is perfectly flat, ensuring optimum contact with the heating plate. This helps to reduce reheating times by eliminating any undesired cool down while you're enjoying the beverage. The plate can reach temperatures of at least 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which means your drink may be anywhere between 77 and 158 degrees. This is one of the highest quality coffee warmers available, and it's only $39 on Amazon right now. Indeed, the future is coming sooner than you think. And with these amazing technologies, our lives will surely change. So, if you want to see more pieces of futuristic technologies, innovation, and devices, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.